Hey boys and girls, for lesson 12, you're going to put your name on your paper, and then the directions tell you to make a simple math drawing. Cross out from the 10, so your part is always going to be a 10 in these. Cross out from the 10 ones or the other part in order to show what happens in the stories. So the first one they did for you, it says Bill has 16 grapes. So I know how many grapes does he have? He has 16, so that's my whole. 10 are on the vine. Here's the 10 of the 16 that are on the vine, and 6 are on the ground. So here's the 6 of the 16 that are on the ground. Bill eats 9 grapes from the vine. Remember, I had 10 on the vine. Here's my 10 on the vine. He eats 9 of them. How many grapes does Bill have left? So they drew the 10 grapes on the vine and the 6 grapes on the ground. And then they took away, because it's quick and easy, I can't take away 9 right here. It's faster to take away 9 right here. And then I see that I have 1 left. So my answer would be 6 and 1 more makes 7. So now Bill has 7 grapes. You're going to do the same thing for 2 and 3. You need to draw out the problem and then subtract or take away. 12 frogs are in the pond. 10 are on the lily pad. 2 are in the water. 9 frogs hop off the lily pad and out of the pond. How many frogs are in the pond? So draw your 10 and your 2. I know I had a whole number, a total of 12. If 9 of them jump off the lily pad, how many are still in the pond? You must draw your picture. Number 3, Kim has 14 stickers total. 10 of the stickers are on the first page, and 4 are on the second page. Kim loses 9 stickers from the first page. How many stickers are still in her book? So draw out your 10 stickers from the first page and the 4 on the second. Tell me how many stickers are still in her book. Then you need to do number 4. 10 eggs are in a carton. So what's your whole number? You have a total of 10 eggs in a carton, and 5 eggs are in a bowl. Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. How many are left? Oh, I messed that one up. Scratch that. So, start over. Number 4. 10 eggs are in a carton. Here's the 10 in the carton. And 5 eggs are in a bowl. So here's the 5 in the bowl. So first, let's just look at this so you don't get confused like I did. If he has 10 in the carton and 5 in a bowl, how many does he have total? Fill that in. Now let's go back to the problem. Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. So draw out your 10 eggs in the carton and show me the 9 he cooked. And draw out your 5 that are in the bowl. And then tell me how many eggs are left. And then number 5, Jana has 10 wrapped gifts on the table and 7 wrapped gifts on the floor. So fill in your number bond. She has 10 gifts on the table, 7 on the floor. What's my whole? What's my total? She unwrapped 9 gifts from the table. So she unwrapped 9 of these gifts. How many gifts are still wrapped? And then number 6, there are 10 cupcakes on a tray and 8 on the table. On the tray there are 9 vanilla cupcakes. The rest of the cupcakes are chocolate. How many cupcakes are chocolate? Make sure you check your answers on the answer key. Find an expert if you need some help.